So since I'm here, let me show you the newest addition to our grocery store. Breadbot. Apparently there's only 15 of these anywhere in the United States. So it's mixing the dough. Goes through the oven. Up there, and pick. It's a fresh bread vending machine. And let me tell you, if you love the smell of fresh baked bread, it smells so good right here. Ooh, pretty cool. And then come to the back side and it's that brand of bread, but it's all sliced, packaged, and ready to go. How fun! The next loaf is like 4 seconds. My loaf pans never pop out that clean.
Yeah, that's neat. So that's yours that's making right now? Or,
No.
Or the next one that comes out. I'm going to order one.
Go for it.
Want the hottest loaf croissant.
So that would be the loaf that just came out then.
Okay. What the heck? Even though I'm going to drive for an hour.
I always saw the article. I read the article about this, and it said that there's only 15 of these anywhere in the United States.
Yeah, there's one in Walla Walla.
I'm like, how did we end up with one? Our tiny little market, you know?
I know. And they have room here, which I thought this would be bigger. I thought, I have to make space for that. And the smell when you come in the store, you smell the
That's what I was just saying. I'm like, if you love the smell of fresh baked bread.
So how do I do
So
that?
it's weird that it shelves
coming
it.
in here? Okay.
Yeah, it shelves it even though you told it you wanted
Uh-huh.
it. It's gonna shelve it and then go back and pick it up.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, honey.
Maybe it's about the positioning of the arm. That it's got
5 minutes.
You know.
Yeah. And you have to slice it yourself, or does it slice it for you?
You know,
You have to ask it.
I don't know.
Bunch of sliced loaves located behind the bread bot, but no biggie. I'll slice it myself.
Yeah, same. My guess is you got to slice it yourself. You know what's funny is they don't give you like tongs or anything to grab it with, though. I mean, you get these little things of paper, but that's
I never saw that.
that's not going to protect your hands from the heat.
It was good.
Very cool. Very cool.